Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Selenium library for web scraping, how to set up Chrome driver, how to set up Mozilla Firefox driver, and how to use it for web scraping. Let's go. I create new project, delete all start code, and let's create two folders for Chrome driver and for Firefox driver. For Chrome driver and for Firefox driver. Let's name it. Then I suggest us to install Selenium. For this, go to the terminal and write pip install Selenium. It's installing. That's okay, Selenium. Selenium successfully installed. Next, we need to download web drivers for Chrome and Firefox for automatization launching to use these browsers automatically. I have two links. I will leave it in description of this video and go to Chrome driver page. Here we need to select our Google Chrome version. How to find it? Go to Applications, choose our Google Chrome browser and see that our version is 107.0. The first two numbers, main numbers, and last numbers can be different. Find it here. We have three similar numbers. Go to this folder and download Chrome driver for your operation system. I have macOS. I download macOS, and if you have Windows, download Chrome driver for Windows. It's better if we download it in our Chrome folder. Let's find it. It's our Chrome folder in Selenium project. Choose it and save our Chrome driver here. Or you can download it in any folder and then transfer it to our Chrome folder. Then let's find this file in our Chrome package, in our Chrome folder. It is executable file, and if you have an archive, then unpackage it to have Chrome driver executable file in this folder. Return, and we see that we have our Chrome driver file in this package. Let's make it for Mozilla Firefox. Find it here and download asset for your operation system. I'll choose for macOS again and change folder from Chrome to Firefox. Save it, go to our Firefox folder, and we see the archive, unpackage it, and we can delete the archive. Return to PyCharm, and we see our Gecko driver for Firefox. We finished to prepare, and now we will use our Selenium for web scraping. Let's create our URL. URL is a website which we will scrape. For example, it will be Amazon. And then let's create WebDriver. Let's import from Selenium, import WebDriver, and then we can use it. WebDriver, point Chrome, and then we need to direct executable path. Write executable path, and then we need to copy absolute path address. Right click, then copy path, and then copy absolute path. Paste it here, and if you use Windows system, you need to direct this address with your disk, and instead slash you need to direct two reverse slashes, and then Chrome driver with exe. I'll write that it's from Windows. Then let's write our code. We try accept, and finally let's close our driver and let's quit from our driver. In accept, let's catch our exceptions and print it in terminal. And the most interesting why we're here today is a try block. Let's write driver point get and our URL. URL is this URL. Okay, now we can open this URL and let's write time sleep in seconds, for example 2 seconds before our driver will be closed. Let's try to run it. My system cannot verify. It thinks that it can be malware. We can click to question mark, and we see that we need to open our system settings, go to this settings, and here we can allow our Chrome driver anyway. Allow anyway, confirm with our password, and let's try once more. Run our Chrome driver, open it, and we see browser with Amazon. It was closed after 2 seconds. Also, we can open another website. For this, change our URL. For example, it will be eBay. Let's run once more. We have Amazon site, and after 2 seconds we have eBay site. That's okay. What else? We can write driver dot, and here we see all features for this driver. For example, we can refresh our page. Let's try, run, Amazon, then eBay, and we see that we refresh our page. It was automatically. I didn't click the mouse, honestly, and very useful feature to solve captcha is a save screenshot. Write driver, point, save screenshot, and for example, bay, point, png. Let's try. Amazon, eBay, then refresh the page, then screenshot, and we have our screenshot with eBay. And how it works with Mozilla, let's rename this file. It will be Chrome, transfer it to our Chrome folder, refactor, and in Firefox let's create new Python file, which name firefox.py. Let's copy this code from Chrome file, and to use Firefox we need to change our WebDriver to Firefox, and we need to change executable path. Let's copy our Firefox driver path, copy path, absolute path, and paste it in Firefox WebDriver. Let's try to run our Firefox with the same actions. Firefox open, Amazon, eBay, refresh, and we have eBay screenshot in Firefox folder. It's worked perfectly. Leave the comment please. Why do you need Selenium for web scraping? Which site do you want to scrape? Subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.